In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group Smartsheet rows. Whether you're managing projects, organizing data, or simply trying to keep everything neat and tidy, knowing how to group rows can be a real game changer. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you want to begin by navigating to your Smartsheet workspace or home. This is your starting point, and from here you can access all your active sheets. Once you're in your workspace, the next step is to open the specific sheet that you want to work on. Take a moment to make sure it's the right sheet, especially if you're managing multiple projects. Once your desired sheet is open in front of you, you'll want to select the rows that you wish to group together. It might be helpful to determine which rows are related or need to be grouped to improve your workflow. Click on the rows and you'll see them highlighted, indicating that they're ready for the next step. Now let's focus on grouping these rows. In your toolbar, you'll notice an indent button, which is typically represented by an arrow pointing to the right. Clicking this button will group your rows, creating a structured hierarchy automatically. This indentation effectively organizes your data, adding clarity and order. Alternatively, if you're someone who prefers a right-click approach, Smartsheet has you covered. Simply right-click on the selected rows and choose the indent row option from the drop-down menu. This will accomplish the same task as the toolbar button, giving you flexibility based on what you find most convenient. By using these indent options, you'll create what's known as a parent-child structure. The first or top row that you select will become the parent row, which is essentially acting like a header or a main category for the rest of the rows. The other rows you've indented, those are your children rows. They are nested under the parent, indicating their relevance or dependency. Once you've established this parent-child relationship, Smartsheet introduces an easy way to manage these groups by adding a triangle next to the parent row. This small but mighty tool allows you to collapse or expand your groups with a simple click. Collapsing the group hides the children rows, keeping your sheet tidy and focused, while expanding it allows you to see all related details whenever necessary. This method is incredibly useful for organizing tasks, subtasks, or any related entries. Structuring your sheets in this way not only makes them more readable, but also significantly enhances your ability to manage and interpret data quickly. Remember, the key is to create a system that works best for you, whether that's organizing by project phase, team responsibilities, or any other category relevant to your needs. With this new skill in your Smartsheet toolkit, you're ready to take your organization to the next level.